The error codes P0385 and P0386 both indicate a problem with the crankshaft position sensor B circuit. Code P0385 signifies that the engine control module has detected the sensor's circuit is not within specifications, while P0386 more specifically points to a range or performance issue within that same circuit. Here is one of the most practical solutions to fix this error code. The crankshaft position sensor. First, carefully remove the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to ensure it has not been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Then, use a multimeter to perform a resistance test on the sensor. To get a correct reading, check your owner's manual for the specific crankshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Before installing the new part, check to make sure the O-ring from the old sensor has not fallen into its hole. Finally, replace it with a new crankshaft position sensor. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.